Hello everyone, I'm Urooj, your life coach, and today I'm going to talk about something that's been trending a lot lately, but very few people explain it in a simple, grounded way. So let's talk about manifestation. What is it? How does it actually work? And can you use it to change your life? Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. What is manifestation? Manifestation is when your thoughts, beliefs, and energy attract real life results. It's not magic, it's not some fantasy, it's about alignment. You align your mind, your feelings, and your actions with the outcome you want, and life begins to respond. Think of your mind like a magnet. If you are constantly thinking, I am not good enough, things never work for me, you will attract situations that match that energy. But if you shift to, I am worthy, I deserve love, I am open to abundance, your outer world starts shifting too. Now, the big question, does manifestation really work? Yes, but not in the way movies might show you. You don't just sit and daydream $1 million into your bank account. Manifestation formula. Manifestation is equal to energy plus action. You first believe it's possible. You feel it in your body, and then you take inspired step toward it. I have manifested beautiful things in my life, and my clients do it too. But the key is you must clear what's blocking you inside. That could be fear, self doubt, past trauma, limiting beliefs. Let's be honest. Why it doesn't work for some people. Sometimes manifestation doesn't work right away. And that's because deep down, you might be saying affirmation with your mouth, but feelings the opposite in your heart. For example, you are saying, I am abundant, but inside you are feeling anxious, scared, or stuck. That mismatch blocks the energy. This is why in my sessions, I help people to release those trapped emotion and blocks so manifestation becomes easier and more natural. All right, so how can you start manifestation today? Let me give you 5 powerful steps. Step number 1, get super clear on what you want. Be specific. Step 2, visualize it. Close your eyes and see it happening. Step 3, feel the emotions as if it's already real. Step 4, take small, Aligned action, don't wait. Step 5. Let's go of the outcome. Trust the timing. Also, clear those hidden blocks. That's what really accelerates your results. If you want support, check the link in my description. I offer 101 coaching to help you manifest from a clean, powerful space. So, my friends, manifestation is real, it's powerful, and it's already working, whether you are conscious of it or not. Now, imagine what happens when you become intentional with it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you are manifesting right now in comment box. Sending you so much love and high vibes. See you in the next video.